you purchase the dual swing gate operator GG1300, the kit will include 2 gate openers, 1 control box, 2 remote controls, and all the instructions and hardware required for installation. The GG1300 can operate gates 10 feet in length or up to 650 pounds per gate leaf. It has a dual or single gate running mode, and the force of the motor can be programmed. The kit also includes a weatherproof control box, 2 433 MHz remotes, and everything required for installation. The GG1300 also includes 2 release keys in case of power loss.